Now let's go and check the task manager again, same one which I have remained open throughout the process. So I'm just opening it straight away. Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can optimize your Windows 11 to the best performance available in 2025. Yes, we have a tool that will make you to customize or optimize your Windows 11 PC and get the best out of it. So before we start, I'll go and check what is the current status of my PC from the task manager so that you can compare it with the later one after optimizing the PC. For that, just right click on the start menu and then click on the task manager. As you can see that my current PC using too much of CPU and I'm just running only few applications here. So after optimization, we will go and check it once again. So without wasting time, we will straight away go to the script. For that, just open the browser and search for WinScript. Just type in WinScript and you will get two links, and the first one is the link to the official site of WinScript. Just open it, and from here you will be able to know more about this script. And after understanding it better, just click on Get Started. Here you will see two versions, that is a desktop version and an online version. You have to click on the desktop version for easy use. It will straight away take you to the GitHub page from where you can download the script. From here, just move down and in the asset section you can see that there are two exes, that is WinScript installer.exe and a portable one. I would advise you to go with the installer exe than the portable one because the first one is better for your Windows 11. So just click on the WinScript installer. Just download it. Now from here, go to the folder from where you have downloaded the script. Now you can see the script here. Just right click on it and run it as an administrator. Now here you can see that the script is about to run. Just click on next. Now you can decide which all users can use this script. Just click on next. Finish it. Yes, now you can see that the script is running right now. Now let's have a look at the features of this script and how to optimize various features in Windows 11 using this script. So starting with the first one, that is tools. The tools section have all the features that is similar to what you see on the Windows 11 settings. There are a lot of cache and other files created or accumulated when you are using the Windows 11 or when you are using the browser. So you can use this cleanup function to free the disk space. Just click on it and you can run the disk cleanup, or if you want you can clean up the temporary files and empty the recycle bin. These all features are similar to what you see on the Windows settings. So let's move to the other section, that is if you want you can create a restore point. It is always advised to create a restore point before doing any changes with the script. Now if you want to clear the browsing history of all browsers, then you can use this function. In this section I would rather go only creating the restore point, and from there just move to the debug, and here you have all the important sections where you need to make the changes. Windows app sections, you will be able to uninstall pre-installed apps. If you want to remove Microsoft apps which is not important for you, then you have to check Microsoft apps. And if you are not a gamer and if you are not using the Xbox, it is always advisable to remove the Xbox from your Windows 11. Extensions, I would like to keep it because some of the extensions in the browsers I am using. So in my case, I am not going to turn off these extensions. Now if you are concerned about any third-party apps which you are already installed in your system and you are not aware which is using most of your CPU, then you can go ahead and remove the third-party applications from here. If not, you can leave it off. Now moving to the next section, that is Windows features. Here few things you have to turn it off. That is the first thing I would advise you to turn off fax and scan if you are not using fax and scan. Now you can disable the recall, and if you are not using Internet Explorer, then definitely you can turn this off. Now the next thing is to remove Microsoft Store. I would advise not to remove the Microsoft Store unless you are sure about that. And next, moving to the OneDrive. Definitely I don't want OneDrive to be running in my system because it will consume a lot of memory. This one for sure you should turn it off, because debloat Edge, this will disable various telemetry and unwanted things in Edge, because telemetry will send lot of informations to Microsoft for learning purpose. So you can turn it off. And if you don't want Copilot AI package, then you can turn that off, but I am leaving it as such for now because I am using Copilot. Now if you want to remove the widgets, you can turn it on, because a lot of unwanted widgets takes a lot of memory space. Now once you are okay with the debloat section, just go to the privacy. Now you have an option, very good option here, that is disable app access. From here, if you want to disable the location permission for various apps, you can turn it off. But rest of the others, I would like to keep it on, because the camera, microphone and other things you might require at any point. So leave those as it is, and now move to the cloud sync. If you don't want to share all the settings of your computer with your other Windows devices, then you can turn it off. Now this one is very important, disable activity feed, which will not let the Windows collect the data usage from your computer. Now just move to the telemetry. Telemetry is the area where the Microsoft collect all the informations about your system. So I would recommend not to enable it, just disable it. Running telemetry will consume a lot of memory space and CPU usage, because it is always running in the background. So I am disabling the Windows telemetry, and I am turning off Windows search telemetry. I'm turning off feedback collection, experience data collection, handwriting, clipboard data collection, targeted ads, internet access for Windows DRM. And after doing that, just move to the gaming section. From here, you can disable game bar. The first thing you can do, if you are not a fan of Windows gaming, you can disable it. Now coming to the performance, you can add ultimate performance plan from here. Requirement, if you enable the Windows Ultimate Performance Plan, it will consume a lot of power. Laptop battery will drain too fast. But for ultimate performance, you can turn it on. You have to disable hacks, also limit Defender CPU usage, and also you can disable core isolation. Your Windows security won't affect much, but doing this, disabling it, will improve the performance. Now you have to disable superfetch, and obviously you have to disable storage sense. And the next important thing which you have to do is to disable the search indexing. So you can turn this off. The next, you can disable hibernation if you are using a desktop PC, but I would not recommend it for the laptop, as it is written here, not recommend for the laptop. So I am leaving it as such. Now from here, just move to the miscellaneous. Now here you will see the various options with relate to the appearance. Based on your choice, you can enable or disable it from here. And next is browse app. Here you will have the options to install various apps. There are a lot of apps available. You can install it from here directly using this particular script, or if you don't want, you can leave that section. And next, move to the run script. From here, all the scripts based on your choice is being created here. There is a preset option, but I would not recommend to go with the preset, because you have made a custom choice of your own. And now you can click on run. Now you can see that the script is running, starting with creating the restore point. So the script has been started creating the restore point. Now it will take a little time to complete all the script. Just wait for that. Now you can see that the operation is completed successfully. Then you can close down this window. Now once the script has been successfully executed, now let's go and check the task manager again. Same one which I have remained open throughout the process. So I'm just opening it straight away. As you can see that the CPU usage have drastically came down. It's now running under 20% and the memory is only 50%. So I would 100% recommend this tool. This is cool script that to have in your Windows 11. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.